Okay guys, this is a 4K test on the new iPhone 17 Pro. So I'm just going to do a quick test of the camera. So I'm just walking on the country park here, and hopefully this comes across okay. So I'm going to try and zoom in here. So this is 1 times zoom, this is 0.5, this is 1, this is 2 times, that's 4 times, that's 8. So you can see it zooms in pretty well. So yeah, I'm just doing a quick test here of the camera itself. This is the iPhone 17 Pro, not the Max, but it should have the same sort of detail and camera on it. So let's do a little zoom. Let's see what's that up there. A little plane. Let's zoom in on that. So that's 2 times, 4 times zoom. Let's do 8 times zoom. And that's pretty good for a phone camera, let's see. Pretty good. Let's go straight to 8. So 4, 1, 4, 8. So yeah, the zoom on this is incredible. So if you're looking for a camera for vlogging, or you're thinking about upgrading this camera, this is a bit of a test for you. I'm using the standard recording mode, no RAW, nothing like that. And this is the internal microphone, so you get an idea of how it sounds as well. You know, this is pretty good. And obviously I can't see what it'll come out on YouTube, but I'm not going to process anything. I'm just going to export it as is. I'm using MP4, so it should record pretty well. And then it should be compatible with YouTube. And then I'll put that on as is. I won't do any color grading or anything. And then you can see how this has come out. There's a bit of sun here, so let's see how that looks. But yeah, hopefully this is useful for you guys. Just a quick short video in 4K 30, or it might be 60 actually, but I'll double check. Yeah, I think I set it to 4K 30. There's a lot of settings in here that you can adjust and record in Pro Raw, etc., which I might do a video on just to with more detail, but this is just an added video. If you're interested in the review, I'll be doing a review soon. That'll be coming out the next week or so. Just how I found the phone in general. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.